In this video, I will show you how to activate international markets on Shopify. So let's jump straight into it. So what you're going to want to do first is come across to shopify.com and log into your account to be taken to your admin dashboard. From here, if you come down to the bottom left hand corner, what you're going to want to do first is click onto settings. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side. And what you want to do is search for markets. So this option here, just go ahead and give that a click. So as you can see at the moment, we've not got the international market as active. It's currently under the inactive section down here. So if you want to go ahead and make this active, all you need to do is simply click onto the market itself. That's going to take you across to the international market screen. So you can see things like the market settings and store settings as well, where you can set up payments and things like that. But what you want to do from here is come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see a box here which says inactive. Just go ahead and click onto this. And all you want to do is change this to active. Once that's done, make sure you click the save button, which will come up in the top right hand corner. And as you can see at the bottom, we've got a pop up saying that the market is activated. So if we now come back to our markets, you will see that we now have both our primary market and the international market active. So that's how to go ahead and activate the international market on Shopify. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.